to defend yourself from 2 assailants carrying Victorinox Classics. Now, if you're an avid watcher of my self-defense training series, you'll probably know the answer to this one. If you draw your .357 Magnum and fire at the first assailant, the second one is going to throw his Victorinox Classic at you, and you'll be lucky if you wake up in the hospital. What you really need are 2 .357 handguns and the skills required to aim these both simultaneously at both targets. It takes a high level of training to pull off this technique. Train hard, train smart. Stay safe out there.